Hi, it is Ed from Surreal Adventure, and today I am going to film a American Signal T-128 air raid siren in Huntington Beach. Huntington Beach maintains its air raid siren system to warn of tsunamis and other potential threats to the community, and to encourage residents to tune in to a certain radio station to find out what's going on. It's one of the few places in California that still actually has operational air raid sirens.